Defend objective A.
They have an echo.
I have an echo.
I have a ball. Back up.
Back up.
Yeah. Back up.
I'm backing up
Somebody's
because
high
he told
ground
me.
left.
Yep.
High ground left. The roller coaster.
Yeah.
They're coming left, yep.
Okay. Now that we know where they're coming, now we push.
Echo's behind. Who's that behind?
Balls half.
Balls. Reaper.
Reaper,
behind.
help! Help! I can't get away!
I'm dead too. Both heals are down.
I'm switching to Echo.
I'm dead. Oh my gosh. Freaking Moira's.
Unfortunately, it's not
Watch
good.
out, ball's already out.
Ball's pretty low.
Push in.
Got a
I don't think we
Moira.
can touch though, right?
I don't think so. Alright,
Alright, we hold here.
let's at least choke up.
Stop the payload.
Alright, we got Echo v Echo. Good.
Ball in the back.
Focus on me.
This echo is just destroying me. I'm
Are you
dead
guys with
again.
me or what? I need help.
Echo's in the
Ball
back.
back.
Echo dead.
Chat me, please.
We're down. Sorry,
you guys coming with me?
To take care of that. We're down our Mercy. He's gonna shatter. He went right past you. Right past you.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing.
Enemy radar
I'm gonna res you. Watch out!
There's a lot of ults here. We gotta witness. I'm stuck.
I need help.
Frozen.
Echo. Get Echo.
I'm dead.
Ball in the back. Don't pull back. Don't pull back. I'm out of heals. More.
Oh man, look, they're just walking right up to me.
Again.
Gosh dang, man. I'm like,
Alright.
my attention is split.
Yep.
Ball
That
on me.
Reaper
I'm
just
gonna
walked
die.
right past everyone.
How did you die?
Equations were correct.
Ball hit me and then they shot me.
Problem must lie elsewhere.
It's a figure of speech.
Sounded like a question.
I suppose so.
Reaper has no raid.
I'm gonna die.
I'm on you.
He has shatter. I was just about to
Do we have heals?
I'm dead.
I'm reloading.
Perfect.
Ball's purple in the back.
Ball's right behind you.
Switch into Moira.
I'm down.
Can't see you. Reloading. Reaper right.
Reaper
Still
behind.
on it.
Need heals. Right behind you, Chappie. You.
You're pretty high. I left.
Nice.
Pretty still high left.
Free. I need heals.
I'm trying. He's on me. So aggressive, these guys. That's high left.
Ah! Did it just kill?
Your healers are dead.
Shield. Dang it.
Freeze
You
up
guys,
top.
I need health on the point.
Yeah, we're
It's not
dead.
gonna
We're
happen.
dead. We said
Yep, both healers are dead.
We are
Alright,
very staggered and
I got it.
scattered.
Man.
Get out.
Whoa, they're coming right in. There's nothing I can do.
Fall back.
We're okay. We're okay. That was, given the circumstance, that was a pretty good defense, huh?
Yeah.
We were on our back foot. I'm pretty sure he has shatter.
Reaper's gonna come from behind, probably. Watch out.
ball.
Yep. Reaper
Crap.
jump on me.
I'm dead. These guys are smurfs, no freaking question.
Yeah, no doubt.
Alright, regroup.
That
Let's do a
sucks.
team. Alright, we can get an echo off, we can get a coalescence.
Okay,
He's gonna have to shatter. Reaper one. Go ahead.
gosh. Everywhere I turn. Reaper behind.
Reaper back. Reaper
Yep,
back.
I'm seeing him.
McCree on the right.
Need heals.
Ball in the back. Ball in the back. Ball in the back. Down.
I died! And I lost my shatter. Good times.
Reaper in the back. Reaper in the back. He's gonna ball. He's gonna ult.
I'm out of mech. I can't stop it.
He's dead.
More now. Where's she at? Okay.
Alright, should I go
Reaper
back to
keeps
Ryan, you
teleporting.
think?
Top left.
I don't know.
Moving up.
Yeah, no.
My will made real.
I've almost got ult too. Yeah.
Patch.
60 seconds.
Ball's coming right.
What are they gonna have? They use Reaper ult, right? They're gonna have High Noon, I'm sure.
Ball's coming right onto the healers, probably.
Yeah, he's over on he's on the Mega.
I've got coalescence. Follows the right. Yep.
Reaper got me out of mech. Can't stop that.
I'm dead.
Wall.
Ball's right.
Chappie, just stay alive. Chappie, just
I'm gonna try.
No, you gotta burn what you got.
like
'cause
not on the point.
Adaptive circuits and
Both healers are down. Point. Still on point.
Get it to overtime. Nice.
Yep,
We got it.
I'm down. Our Moira's on. Nice freeze. Kill the Moira. 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 Nice.
Better.
Reaper next. Nice. Coming out.
I'm out. I'm dead.
Dang it. We got to overtime.
Okay. Yep.
They're gonna push hard on us.
score
We're on attack.
to 3.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Switching sides.
But they're still gonna.
They're just gonna push and go.
Prepare
Okay.
to attack.
What do you want?
Select your hero.
Goes Arya.
Alright.
So I'm gonna play this kind of a attack where I jump in. My plan is to try to like jump in between the front line and the back line to like create space between them. You guys pressure the front line, and then I'll jump out back. I'll jump back out to the support.
Don't just stand around.
Okay.
But like if I can get a bubble between the front line and the back line, then they'll be on. They'll have no heals for a few seconds, right?
Right.
So that's kind of what I'm going for. So I'm gonna jump in, try to split the heals, survive as long as I can, and then I'll jump out back to our back line. So while I'm in the middle of it, just put a ton of pressure on their front line.
Okay.
Attack commencing. Capture objective.
You going main route?
Yeah.
I hear Lucio.
Lucio, Moira.
We have double shield.
Okay.
With their second.
Give me a bubble. I'm dead.
Sigma half.
Sigma down.
Sigma down.
I need heals.
I'm on
It's
you.
okay, it's okay. We got a little bit of,
I need
we have a
heals.
little bit of spawn advantage.
Thank you.
Okay, get a friendly ready for me.
Yep,
I'm
you
gonna
got it
go
ready.
in. Okay, ready? I'm going in. Now?
Jump the McCree if you can.
Alright, got two.
I'm dead, I'm dead.
Reaper
Oh,
down.
I got the McCree.
Push
I
up.
got you, I got you, I got you.
Lucio.
I'm on him. He's dead. Trap on the point, that's ours. I'm gonna move forward. Zarya, come with me.
Yeah, keep someone on
Moira in
point.
the back.
Point.
The Moira's coming through the back way.
Okay, good.
Objective A captured. Escort.
Okay, same thing. I'm gonna try to split them.
Creed's in the right. They're all coming right. They're all coming right. Careful.
Yep.
Yep, thanks. That was Chappy. But yeah.
Are they still coming right?
They may have pivoted around.
All right,
There's four
Zarya,
of
you
them.
ready? You got a bubble?
Yeah.
McCree's right. Reaper,
Reaper
left.
is left.
Oh, you got me.
He's coming after the healers. He's one. Nice. Got him.
Reaper down.
We have no heals, we have no heals.
Yep, you lost both healers. Alright, as soon as heals come back, I'm gonna drop my home.
Okay, we got the
Oh,
Ryan.
shoot. What was...
What?
I'm sorry. I fat fingered my ult.
You fat fingered your ult?
Yes.
Sorry, use the mark. Get the cold lessons. No, never mind.
Yeah, the last second.
Okay, we got our mercy ult going. John, you got a bubble for me?
Yep.
Got Lucio. Watch
Back
out, Reaper's
line.
In the
behind.
back, behind.
I'm dead.
It's alright.
Get the point. Cap it if you can.
Got it.
Nice.
Nice.
You got it.
And I got a good spawn.
I'm gonna hit him quick from behind.
John, you have a bubble?
Yep.
I'm sitting on point.
I'm with you.
No bubble, no bubble.
McCree on right. McCree on Mega. Sitting on
Far right,
Mega.
Mega. No.
Can you jump them
Wait,
again,
wait.
Jake?
Yeah.
Coalescing.
On the side, I can't see you. Never mind.
Reaper is...
McCree left. Left.
Reaper and McCree left.
Nice. I got you, buddy.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm dead.
I'm dead.
Moira's behind.
On the point! Dang it! We're on the point!
Get the Moira,
Is it winnable?
Boop drop.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes! Oh, wow!
Nice job.
Wow, I
Nicely
just had a
done.
great Zarya game.
Yeah. That was
Had a good chunk of that game.
It's not it's
Draw,
over.
drawable.
Sorry. Drawable. At least it is.
No, we can win it.
It's
We
can
it's
win
not
it.
losable.
It's
Yeah,
not
we can win
losable.
this.
That's the most important part. It's not losable.
That's not that. There you go. Okay, I got it. And they're down one, by the way. They're 5v6.
Oh.
Oh.
He might come back. He might
sad.
come back.
He left. He rage quit. I don't know. He left right when we capped it. I watched.
Not again.
He was sitting off by the side. It was the Reaper. He was sitting off by the side, not doing anything.
Oh really? Is that how?
Yeah.
Just
Is that
in
how
the
he
last
owns?
fight. No, it was just in the last fight. Cause I ulted him there at the end.
Man, I
Dude,
felt
Zarya was
like
working.
I was just taking so much space.
Yeah, buddy. Dude, I was
You were
power. I
making
was
a lot of
damage
space.
boosting you so much. I felt like I was in goats. Like, support this Zarya.
And Jake was getting me so much charge every time he jumped in, man. It's just like back to full.
Yep.
Alright, don't get cocky,
I-
'cause he could come back.
I know.
Yep.
True.
I split their heals like crazy.
That was good. That was good. Monkey.
Yeah,
is
no, you
good
guys
right
made
now.
tons of space.
Yeah.
We basically moved the point non-stop.
They're sitting on high ground.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
You got bubble?
Yep.
Monkey's in. They have a monkey.
Batiste down. Ryan's on low ground by himself.
He's back. He's back. He's back. They have the 6 again.
Okay,
Monkey in the
We got
back. Monkey in the back.
Focus the monkey.
Okay, you ready? I'm going in. Zara, you got a bubble for me? I'm going down. Right
Yep,
side.
going.
Soldier. Nice. Lucio. Nice work.
Woo!
Yeah.
Can own that.
That was awesome. Good picks. I like that. I like that.
That was awesome.
This is that perfect ult with the Reinhardt. Sure. I don't know.
He's not even doing anything. He's not even doing anything.
Really bad shots.
Yeah, that was.
I'm surprised that was play of the game.
It seems
Nice.
we
Save
have a
you guys
consensus.
saved that game because I want to see
Oh
those.
yeah.